Hey everyone, this is SN. Welcome back to the channel where we dive into you to the world of digital marketing and cold outreach and lead generation. So today we are kicking off a brand new series of a cold email outreach. So starting with the fundamentals. So the series name you how to get started with cold email outreach for getting clients in 2024. It will be a step-by-step guide, so just bear with me. Let's tell you the everything whatever I know about cold email marketing. Let's dive in. So in this video I will cover what cold email is, why cold email is still effective in 2024, the exact step to get started with cold email outreach, and some insider tip that will help you to stand out from the crowded inbox. Let's start with the basics. What exactly cold email is? Cold email is an essential and unsolicited email that you send to someone who has no prior interaction with you or your business. It's often compared to cold call, but the beauty of cold email is that is intrusive and more scalable. Plus, you are targeting someone in a place where you already spend a lot of time in their prime inbox. Okay, so in cold email, you will target those people who don't know you, don't know about your businesses, but you can target directly to the decision maker and you can talk with them and pitch your services. So it's so easy, so simple, and so scalable. So cold email are mainly used for B2B lead gen, sales prospecting, networking and partnership. And I also see some people are doing like affiliate link promoting via cold email. By clicking, they are getting money. Common misconception about cold email is that it is spam. But the reality is if you do it rightly and focus on your personalization, value and timing, it becomes powerful for lead generation and building relationship. So the next possible question could be like why cold email is still effective in 2024. Now you might be wondering, is cold email still relevant in 2024? Does it actually work? The short answer is yes. And if you want to a brief answer, then that will be cold email remain one of the most effective and scalable ways to reach potential clients and customers. Some of the reason why cold email is effective I written down here. Let's discuss with you, then you will broadly understand why cold email is so effective to getting clients and scale your businesses. So the first option is direct access to your decision maker. Cold email can bypass gatekeepers, giving you the direct access to the people who matters in the company, especially with a platform like LinkedIn helping you to target the right people. Like if you do the cold email, then you can directly access to the decision maker of the company. You can target the owner, co-founder, CEO, co-owner, this kind of like C-suite people in this company. But it is not possible in the other platform or other outreach method. So that's why if you want to direct pitch to your service to any kind of decision maker, then it will be really effective if you do cold email. So you can directly access to the decision maker. Scalability. Unlike cold calling, which requires one-on-one time, cold emails allow you to reach hundreds or even thousands of people with one message. Like if you do cold calling, you need to buy the phone numbers, and after that you have to call, talk one-on-one, and it's time consuming. But on a cold email, if you buy a tools, and you can send even 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 email per day. So it will be a huge a positive things if you want to scale your business. Personalization. On modern day, cold email tools enable you to add personalized tasks like the recipient name, company name, or even specific challenges they are facing. When your email feels relevant and tailored, it's likely to be ignored. So that means if you do cold email, you can do a huge personalization based on that recent job, recent changes of the company, or any kind of recent awarded anything who they are recently doing, or you can tell their name like, hey John. So it will be on the personalized, and or if they see any kind of email like in my inbox, if I see hey Hasan, I will definitely open that email, a quick question for Hasan, so I will open that kind of email. So if you do a good personalization on your cold email, then it will be really great, and it will increase your open rate, your reply rate, so it will be not ignored by the recipient. Low cost compared other forms of marketing like paid ads, cold email require relatively small investment and the main cost of your time, especially if you're manually crafting email and doing research. Like if you do client outsourcing for via paid ad, it will take a lot of money to spend on the Google ads, Facebook ads, this kind of things. But if you do cold email, it will be more effective but less cost if you compare to like paid ads. So that's why in a low cost you can reach a lot of people via cold email. That's why it's the most effective and efficient model of outreaching. So the next question can be like how to get started with cold email. 5 step of cold email to get started with. So let's jumping on and break down them. Step one: identify your audience. So that is identify your ideal audience. That means your ICP, your ideal client profile. Who are you targeting? Your foundation of any successful campaign is exactly knowing who are you targeting, and not sending generic message to like random people or who got it. So it's not like that. So you need to understand who is your target market, how, what's their pain point, and what industry they are working in, what kind of solution they are looking for. And after that you can you need to make a ICP, like ideal client profile, and then you will find those kind of leads and go for them for cold email. So build a buyer persona. Before you write a single email, create a detailed profile of your ideal customer. Ask yourself a question like who they are, what's their pain points, which industry they are working. I just told you, like what kind of solution they're looking for, how much they earn, what's their hobbies, what's they do on the weekend. This kind of things you need to do a lot of research, and after that find you need to know everything about your prospect. Okay, everything, and leverage the tool for research like LinkedIn, Apollo, Hunter.ai. Find the decision makers of the company, and the tools allow you to filter by job filter, industry, company size, more helping. Also, you can do research on ChatGPT, and after that there is a tool called ARPM. I think this is a Chrome extension, so you can find ideal client profile, customer profile on there. So it's so easy, so you can do that. You don't need to like spending a lot of time on those like previous, because you have ChatGPT right now. Then personalization start here. So once do you have a list of proper people who are you targeting, do some light research about each individual of their companies before launching. This will give you insight of a specific challenge, and that allow you to craft more personalized and effective cold email outreach. Like if you know about what the pain point, what the problem they are facing, then it will be so easy for you to like focus on the pain point and craft a personalized and solution of their pain. So in this way they will reply you, and you will get a lot of positive replies, and this can be a cause for a lot of meetings, and you can book clients. Step 2: craft a compelling subject line. Subject line is your first impression. Okay, so you know, like there is a proverb like the first impression is the last impression. So subject line is your first impression. So if you do not grab attention from the first, the recipient won't even bother to open your email. It need to be clear, conscious, compelling, and it needed to be keep short, personalized, and create curiosity with your offer. Your subject line need to be shorter. Like the subject line should be short. The subject should be less than 50 characters. It can be like hi first name, quick question for first name. So it depends on the industry and the targeting you are doing. And you need to personalize to like for example, hey name, hey John, quick question about your company, this kind of things. So then the people think you took time and do research about them, and after that you are pitching them. So it will be more effective than others. Create curiosity or offer value. So a subject line like quick tip to boost your special result work because it creates curiosity. They all want to know what the tip is. If it's relevant their needs, they will open the email. Okay, first things, you need to make a good subject line to open, and then you need to personalize your offer to only dedicated to your target audience and give them the solutions. Step three is to write a conscious and valuable email body. That means email copy. So once they open the email, you have few seconds to hook their attention. That means your email should be short, to the point, and provide immediate value to avoid lengthy instruction and unnecessary details. Use a conversational tone. Like if anyone like five grade student, five grade school student read your email, they can understand your email easily. Your email should be sounds like common from a person, not robotic type. Start with a friendly greeting, get right into the what you are reaching out. Like, hey, first time I came across your profile on LinkedIn, noticed that you are working on the industry. I have companies like yours, specific blah blah blah. This kind of things you can go on. Like, it's really great if you start like those. Like, hey, I came up to your LinkedIn profile and noticed that you are working on this industry and you are crushing it. So this kind of compliment, they are really get engaged with your email, and it will be really easy to grab their attention and get a reply from them. Offer value immediately. Like your email should be short, right? So you don't need to write a whole paragraph on your email body, then people will not get interested to read your the whole email. They don't have that much time, right? So that's why after the first line you need to directly offer your whatever you are offering. Like I wrote an example for you. Like, I specialized in helping businesses to reduce customer acquisition cost up to 30%, uses targeted ad strategy. I would love to share some insight with you on a quick call. It will be short, conscious, and on point. No bullshit. Okay, so then you will get grab attention, and if they are really interested and they are facing this kind of problem, they will really book a call on your calendar and go on a Zoom one-to-one call with you. Keep it action oriented. Like, end your email with a simple, clear call to action. Don't leave recipient guessing what to do next. Right? Like, if you are not telling them like mind if I share. If you want to, you can book a meeting with us. You can tell them, we can told how to go there. Like, if you don't told them, then how does this work, right? Like, does a quick 10 minute does a quick 10-minute call next week sound good? This kind of CTA you need to like of course you need to use on your email. Like, let me know what's time best for you. Like, is this something you are still interested, or is this something you are interested? Let's just jump on a call or book a meeting with us. If you are interested, then is this some if you are interested, then book a call with us. This kind of CTA you need to use. It's soft CTA. Follow up strategically. That means this is a crucial tip, right? It's like sending one email is not enough. Most people are busy, even their email is great, they might forget to respond. They are so busy, right? They're not like us. So space out your follow-ups. Wait 2-3 days before sending your first follow, and after that you can follow up like 2-3 times before. Or like 2021, people are saying like sending like 5 follow-ups, 7 follow-ups, 8 follow-ups. But in modern days, 2024, it's the standard is like if you send them one cold email, after that you can send them like 2-3 follow-ups. Okay, so total will be 4 email or 3 email. And if they are interested in this mail, you will make a gap, like every email you will give them a follow-up after 3 days, after 3 days, after 3 days, like those. So if they're interested, they will like answer your email. Add new value in follow-up. Okay, so don't every email, on every follow-up email you need to add a value, like a case study, as something you did, or how you help other companies. So you need to add value on every follow-up. This is so important. I saw a lot of people are only doing like, I just want to follow up, I just want to know about your current situation. So I'm following up, just want to know this kind of thing. So addition, you can offer them additional some question for, or a new angle, share some case studies, a new article, ask about their company. So always give them value. Keep it friendly, not pushy. Okay, so politeness is the key. If you want to be persistent but not annoying, like you don't need to be pushy, you need to be friendly. Okay, like if you push someone to buy something from you, they will not buy, people will not buy. Okay, because they don't know you. So you need to be polite, you need to be respectful, and they will reply. Like an example, you can say, hi, hi John, I wanted to follow up on my last mail. I believe I can help you on a specific result. Are you available for a quick call this week? So you need to always told them, yes, we can help you, we can do that for you, we can do this for you. This is a case study, this is something we do, this is something on your niche. But you don't need to be pushy. So if you push again and again, they will feel that, people will notice that, and after that you will might lose the chance to book the call with him. And the fourth and the last point is, use cold email tools, like manual cold email. Like if you write email and send it manually and again follow up, it will take a lot of time, it consumes a lot of time. So in modern days we have a lot of tools in market. You can buy, and you can get some lifetime deals. Also you can get monthly subscription. You can buy and you can leverage those tools to send a lot of automated cold outreach tools. You just need to stay, like you just need to give 1 day of time, and after that you set everything, and then you're ready to go. Like the tools like instantly AI, people.ai, list, smartlead can help you to automate your outreach and track this metrics easily. Based on your data, you can tweak your subject line, you can email copy, follow up strategy for better result, and you can A/B test whatever is performing for you, whatever is not performing for you, and after that you can make a decision which one is performing best, and you can choose from there. You can scale those campaign. What is the a data group? Everything you can measure it, and you can track that data and scale it. And that's all. And there you have it, like a complete beginner guide to getting started with the cold email outreach. Remember, the key is the cold email service is personalization, offer real value and strategic follow-up. It's not about spamming people, it's only about building relationship and offering solutions. Like I have experience, like people are not buying in the real time, but they are telling me to follow up me in 3 months, and after that after 2 3 months I again follow up them, and they book a call, and I book them, and book them with a good value like $3,000 per month. I book them. So you just need to like persistence and keep going. You can don't be pushy, but always strategic follow up, like with some of case studies, good things. So these kind of things, like if you found this, yeah, that's all. Like if you found this video is helpful, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episode of cold email series. Feel free to drop any kind of questions in the comment below. I will do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.